In today's video, I will teach you how to put text behind the subject using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit in Photoshop. Now, you can add the text that you would like to put behind the subject. Once you're satisfied, you can now go ahead and drag the text layer above the subject layer. Now, select the subject layer. And in the toolbar, click on the Select tab and select Subject. If the Subject Select tool didn't select a part of the image that you would like, you can still add it using the Quick Selection tool. Once you've selected the parts that you would like to put in front of the text, you can now go ahead and press Ctrl J on your keyboard to make a new layer with only the subject on it. Now, drag the new subject layer over the text layer. You can now go ahead and save this to your computer if you're satisfied. But to add some depth, I will add shadows on the subject. And you're done. You can now put the text behind the subject in Photoshop. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.